Hello, calculus students. We're here in section 8.1, finding the average value of a function on an interval. Before we proceed, let's recall that the average value of a function on the interval a to b can be written as 1 over b minus a. So that would be the width of the interval that we're going to be dividing by, multiplied by the integral from a to b of f of x dx. Now, in our question, our function is the square root of x, our b is 2, and my a is 0. So what we have is the integral from 0 to 2 of the square root of x dx. And we can multiply this by 1 over 2 minus 0, or multiplied by 1/2. Or we could just divide by 2 at the end. So we're going to antiderive the square root function by first writing it as x to the 1/2 power. We're going to add 1 to this power and then divide by that exponent. So we're going to have 2/3 x to the 3/2 power as my antiderivative, and then we're going to evaluate from 0 to 2. And then we're going to take that answer and divide by 2. So we can find this value by putting 2 in, and I do get 2/3 times 2 raised to the 3/2 minus 0 all over 2. So again, an answer of, 2/3, we'll leave that there. And then 2 to the 3/2 can be written as 2 times the square root of 2. And since that's being divided by 2, my 2's cancel. So my average value for the square root of x on the interval 0 to 2 is equal to 2/3 times radical 2.